Are Bitcoin and SHIB about to go crazy? Watch this. Hey everybody, this is Chris from Swap and Go and the S&G token. And just in case you didn't know, we do have our pre-sale going on right now. So head on over to SWAPNGO.EXCHANGE and I will show you how to do that in just a second. What do we have going on now? Well, go down and hit the subscribe button, if you will. That would be an amazing thing, and the like. That'd be awesome. Hey, things are about to get nuts. At least I think. It's my personal opinion, not financial advice, but I really think things are getting nuts. If you guys been watching the news today, I'm not talking about news on the TV. I'm talking about the real news, the crypto news. There is some interesting things going on out there. So, I mean, Bitcoin right now is up at $71,124. It's on the upswing. You know what? The Bitcoin halving happened, as we all know. And charts can tell us by the end of summer, it's going to go crazy. That's what the past history tells us. It's not financial advice. I said, like, it's an opinion. But if you look back at past history, which me being a history guy, I do look at histories, okay? I do look at past history as a guide to the future, and it looks like Bitcoin's going to go nuts. That's what I think, right? Just my personal opinion here. So what am I going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and SHIB and a little bit of this. What is this? I told you guys just real quick, and now I got to talk about it. Swap and Go, we have an amazing DEX, and on this DEX, we happen to have our own little launchpad window here, and you click on that launchpad window, and it brings you to the pre-sale we have going on, right? So in this pre-sale, it is cross-chain. You come over here, and you get yourself your Binance or your ETH cross-chain. There's also token-to-token, so you can get a token on either one of those chains that we happen to have here on the Swap and Go DEX, which has 264 tokens and growing now. So you don't have to have your ETH. You don't have to use your Binance coin directly. You can, you get something in Doge, you got something in Pepe, everybody's making money in Pepe. You can take your Pepe coin and trade it directly for SNG. You don't have to do any of the other swapping stuff. So that's amazing, right? So just connect your wallet, come on down here, select what token you want to use, put the amount in, the connect wallet will change to a buy, and and there you go. And we also have really high APYs right now for buy to stake, and you can get yourself an affiliate link, which is 5%. You give it to a friend or whoever you give it to, they buy, you get 5% back from what they purchase in SNG tokens. So what is going on there, everybody? There's like some really exciting stuff going on. So let's look at the headlines here. Bitcoin author projects incoming 193,774% rally for Shiba Inu coin to 0.05. I'm just going to give you some headlines here. I might go over to another one and show you some of that, but I'm not going to read everything here word for word. It says Shiba Inu to a nickel. I would love it. You know what? I'm invested in SHIB too. Having it, go to a nickel would be amazing. We had that much of a rally. There has to be, in my mind, this is just my opinion. Do I think that SHIB can get there sometime? I do, but there's going to have to be a lot of burns. I have 183 trillion tokens. I'm never going to say never in the crypto sphere. I'm hoping that it proves me to be a fool, that you have to have all those burns before you get to a nickel, but anything is possible. And you know what? Maybe it goes there. Okay, you today, 9 hours ago, says Shiba Inu lead drops mysterious SHIB hint after Vitalik celebrity token, something other. So Vitalik is getting involved. You remember he burned like 410 trillion the SHIB coins at one shot. The thing I really wanted to talk to you guys about, as far as SHIB is concerned, is check this out. This is some of the things that's getting nuts, right? There's some guy out there, or woman could be, who knows? I don't really know who this is. It's a person, and the trader, $120 million dollars on SHIB. Begins, this guy made, or person, like I said, made $120 million on Shiba Inu. Begins accumulating SHIB again. And what did they do? They happen, if you come down here, it says a blockchain trading firm, Look On Chain reports that SHIB super big winner just spent 4,849 ETH, worth $18.44 million at the time, to buy 715.9 billion SHIB. Someone out there just dropped $18 million. Let that sink in. $18 million they just put on SHIB. Do they know something? I would hope they do. I can't sit there and say, yes, they absolutely know something, and this is more than a hunch. I can't say that. I don't know. I'm not in that person's head. I haven't talked to this person. Don't even know who the person is. But 18.4 million, people don't drop that much money unless they're sure something's going someplace. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Something else I wanted to talk to you guys about. Billionaires are buying this cryptocurrency ETF that could soar 1,050% to 5,400%, according to certain Wall Street analysts. And what is that? If you said Bitcoin, you are 100% correct. But what does that bring us to, right? You guys can come here. This was on Yahoo Finance. And, it's all you got to do is put crypto news in there, and it'll bring you right to it. I just want to read you this part. Where is it here? It's down here. Hold on, see me. I had it here. There's the paragraph I want. Certain analysts have made bold prediction in the wake of the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. For instance, Anthony Scaramucci, probably heard that name before, of Skybridge Capital, believes Bitcoin could eclipse the market capitalization of gold. That values the currency at roughly $800,000 per coin, implying about 1,050% upside from its current price. When this was written, it was 69,000. Now it's at 71,199.83, just under, 71,200. So maybe it's already started as it's a cent. Who knows? And then, similarly, Kathy Wood of ARK Invest believes spot Bitcoin ETFs will eventually capture about 5% of institutional assets under management. This doesn't say this bull run. It says we'll eventually get 5% of institutional assets. That prediction values a cryptocurrency at roughly $3.8 million a coin, right? Implying about 5,400% upside from its current price. Guys, do we have a crystal ball here? Do we 100% know where things are going? No, nobody knows 100%. But if you go back by past history with the halvings in place, things are going to get crazy. Things are going to get crazy. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is definitely going up. And when Bitcoin goes up, everything else is going to follow. So if everything else is going to follow, you're going to want yourself one heck of an exchange. That's the Swap and Go exchange. We're going to have cross-chain. We're going to have limit swaps, credit cards, play to earn, metaverse, all kinds of things, some things I can't even say right now. It's going to be an amazing thing to be in, right? So get yourself some of those SNG tokens, which if Bitcoin is going to 3.8 million, where the heck is SNG token going to? That's my question. So get yourself some right now at the pre-sale. I will see you guys soon and have a wonderful day.